We want to create leaders in our field, so our classroom and our clinical time is really set to develop them into those professionals.
Just the name reputation itself. Like you talk about Creighton, and it doesn't matter what you're studying, people are just automatically going to say it's a good school.
To be a Creighton OT does kind of sometimes come with like a higher expectation.
We have the legacy, reputation being the first, being the leader. We are a very top-ranked program, right? Top 20.
The Ignatian values, I think, are such a great driving force behind what we do in education here at Creighton.
OT is a very holistic profession. You have to treat the person as a whole. You can't treat them as a diagnosis.
We have an excellent curriculum, very rigorous, well-planned.
Students all have access to expert clinicians as well as faculty on all of the hybrid pathways as well as in the Omaha facilities.
And the classrooms are state-of-the-art with tons of technology that enhances student learning and provides more opportunities for hands-on learning.
The professors here give us a lot of great resources. They give us a lot of support.
Creighton has a special community, and our students become part of that professional family from the time that they enter the OTD program here at Creighton all the way through to the graduation and on.